This is the website from Vercel. So you can see it is used by really big company like Adobe, Zapier, eBay, Loom, the Washington Post, and it really is easy to do. Like they say, you just have to develop, and it is time consuming for you because it is not time consuming, actually it is the inverse, because it lets you focus on the code and not spend time on the servers or anything related to deployment. If you want to know more about how it works, I explained it a bit in the previous video about Netlify, but basically you just have to push from your GitHub directly to a specific branch, and from there you will just have to it will just handle everything like the building stage and just make it available online. So let's see how you can actually create an account. I will just log in directly with GitHub. Authorize. You are being authorized. Not found. Okay, I have to sign up. I will do it with GitHub. Okay, it's available. So now what you can do is either just select a template and it will do it for you. Actually, yeah, let's do it and create a React app. We will deploy it directly. Deploy. And I will create a new project just for this one. So a new repository, test Vercel. Okay, just create. It was created and now here, test Vercel. Okay, install. I don't know why. Okay, test Vercel 2. We'll just create it. Okay, it is being created. So it is cloning the repository from Vercel. Okay, and now it is being building the project. So it will take maybe 30 seconds. And once it built, it will just be available online. But so yeah, you have to just take into account it will never be instantly because it has to build every time you push. So if you have a really important fix you have to push, you will still have to wait 30 seconds for it to be available once you push to the branch. So it actually takes a bit more. I guess it's because of the first time. For Netlify it was really fast. So see, congratulations, this is my website. If I click on it, this is the link, and I can add a domain, I can enable paid insights. This is things you want to do once you get more serious. But like this is just for testing, so I don't really need a specific domain. If I wanted a domain, as I explained in the previous video, a useful website would be a Namecheap. I'm not affiliated with them, I don't get any money just for advertising them, but I really think it's a great website because it's one of the cheapest, one of the easiest to use, I guess, and it's really nice to have like a specific place to get your domains, because I guess you could buy a domain here, but then it is really linked to Vercel. Helloband.com. Actually, I'm not sure. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure you can buy with them. So, but it's really easy to add your domain, and then if you put your domain here, it will tell you what to put in Namecheap, so that from Namecheap it is redirected to Vercel. But it's really easy to use. So. And here we have the analytics. I did not enable it, but if you want, it's kind of nice. You can see like how many visitors you had, how many page views. Speed insight is not bad though. And logs, if there was like any issue when you pushed, but we didn't have any. Okay, now you can also have like some database, which is nice. And this is Supabase. Yeah, you can create a Supabase with yeah, it's just an integration, so I guess it will bring you to the Supabase website. Supabase website, we didn't do a video yet, but I mean it's an alternative to Firebase, and it's like a free alternative to Firebase, because Firebase is really nice, but it can get really expensive. And this one is either you can self-host it, or you can also use their own cloud. On their own cloud, you will get so for free for up to 500 megabytes, which is quite a lot. I mean, if you start your project and you don't know if you will have any traction yet, you can start with this, and once you start to get some tractions, you can move to the pay plan. But they don't really say like once you go above this how much it will get. I guess maybe later they will do it. Anyway, if we go back to Vercel, now we have our website here, but we want to to push. We want to push some new code. So, okay, it is test Vercel2, copy, we will clone it. So here git clone, git clone this. It is being copied. And so in Visual Studio, we'll open it. So here, open folder, Vercel2, okay, yeah, trust. And what we want is here, so or you can see learn React. So we can say hello, my fellow viewers, and subscribe, and we will put a link to my YouTube channel. So here my channel, okay. Here href, okay. We put a link. So we had some changes. Here I will just add it. We will say new URL main page. We commit it. We push. Okay. So now if we go back to our website here, right here, I think it didn't change yet, but we have to wait about 30 seconds. So let's just wait 30 seconds, and once it will be finished, it should, just by reloading it, it should be available. Okay, so now we will reload it, and if everything worked well, it should appear just here. Okay, why not? If I go here, what happened? I guess it's no, it's on main. So what? It's on main, and I pushed it. So if I go, yeah, on this one it's okay. So not sure why. Ah, okay. See what happened? Like this is a unique view, and this is real time. So this is real time. This is unique. Because if I reload, this is like unique still. Okay, unique view of this deployment. Yeah, because if I go back here on the latest, the last one. Okay, this is the last deployment, but you can see it's like a long URL because this is for this specific push. And this one is for the specific previous push. So it's really nice because you can get like specific URL for a specific point of your code. I mean specific point in your Git. So this is from the first commit. This is from the second commit, and this is this one is from the branch. So just this one. If I push again, we will do it again just to explain you. Because if I push again to the main branch, see git main, this one will be updated, but this one and this one will not be updated. So you can easily compare and show it to your friends or your colleague. So I will do it again. My failure. Welcome. I cannot welcome here. I will add it, commit. Okay, I didn't have to put a message. Okay, I didn't have to put a message. Okay, Visual Studio is crashing. What happens? Okay, yeah, I just had to put a message. Anyway, now it's okay. I think it's better to put the message here than to put the message here, obviously, because here, yeah, it's just like faster. So I just pushed it. So now in 30 seconds, it should appear finally. Okay, so now we should see if it works. So this one, if we load it, this is still the same page. This one also is still the same page because this is for the specific commit. And this one, because it is for the specific branch and we just updated the branch, it should be changed with here. You can guess what will happen. If I reload, welcome here. And if I just click, welcome to my channel. Okay. So as you could see, we're using Vercel with GitHub. It's like really easy to deploy because you don't have to care about the servers and you just have to push it to your branch. So if like me, you had to experience with AWS every time, you have to SSH to the server, you have to git push and put from the server. You're never sure if everything worked well. A solution like this is so easy to use and it saves you so much time, so you should really experiment with it. Either for your personal project, because you can host your portfolio like this for free. And yeah, free is like one of the main advantage because you have a really good free quota. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment. I will reply to any comment. If you had any issue deploying to Vercel or if you had any questions. Also, if you have any recommendation on better services to use than Vercel or any feedback like why you should not actually use Vercel, because to be honest, I don't really see many reasons why. Please tell me in the comment what you think, and I wish you all the success with your future website on Vercel. See you in the next video. Bye.